Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start long question answer number 5. Now start questions. What were Qaid-e-Azam 14 points? Heading Qaid-e-Azam's 14 points. Answer. The Qaid-e-Azam refused to accept the narrow report in order to project the Muslims' point of view on the political issues of South Asia. He prepared a draft of guiding principles consisting of 14 points. They are as under. Now first point, federal constitutions. The future constitution should be federal with the residuary power vested in the provinces. Now second point, uniform autonomy. A uniform measure of autonomy shall be guaranteed to all provinces. Now third point, minority representation in the legislature or registered in the country and other elected bodies shall be continued on the defined principle of adequate and effective representation of minority in every province without reducing the majority in any province to a minority or even equality. Now, fourth point, Muslim representation for central registration. In the central registrator, Muslim representation shall not be less than one-third. Now, fifth point, separate electorate for the communal group. Representation of communal group shall continue to be by separate electorates. Now, sixth points, presentations of Muslim majority. Any territorial distributions that might at any time be necessary shall not in any way affect the Muslims majority in the Punjab, Bengal and NWFP. Now 7 points, religious liberty. Full religious liberty, that is liberty of belief, worship and observance, propaganda, associations and educations shall be guaranteed to all communities. Now 8 point, rules for passing bill in the registration. No bill or resolutions or any part thereof shall be passed in the legislature. Number 9 point, separation of Sindh for Mumbai. Sindh should be separated from the Mumbai presidency. Now 10 points, reform for Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Reforms should be introduced in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan on the same footing in other provinces. Now 11 points, share of the Muslims in service. Provisions should be made in the constitutions giving Muslims aid and adequate share along with the other Indians in all the services of the state. Now 12 points, protections for the Muslims cultures. The constitution should embody adequate safeguards for the protections of Muslims culture, example religion, language, Muslims education, etc. Now 13 point, Muslims share in the campaign. No cabinet either central or provisional should be formed without there being at least one-third of Muslim ministers. Now 14 points, change in the constitution. No change shall be made in the constitutions by the central registration except with the concurrence of the state constituting the Indian federations. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.